Imagine you're a customer service agent. You've got a mountain of tickets to sort through, each one a unique problem waiting to be solved. You're drowning in a sea of emails, phone calls, and chat messages. Now, imagine a tool that could streamline this chaos, organize your workload, and help you provide exceptional customer service. That tool might just be Wrike. Wrike is a popular project management tool, often used by teams to collaborate on tasks and projects. But can it also function as a robust ticketing system? Let's dive in and find out. Understanding Wrike's core features. Wrike offers a wide range of features, including task management, time tracking, and collaboration tools. While it's not designed specifically as a ticketing system, it possesses several key elements that can make it a viable option for managing customer inquiries. Task creation and assignment. Wrike allows you to create tasks for each incoming ticket, assigning them to specific team members or departments. This ensures that each inquiry is addressed promptly and efficiently. Customizable workflows. You can create custom workflows to match your team's processes, from initial ticket assignment to resolution. This helps maintain consistency and ensures that no steps are missed. Collaboration features. Wrike's collaboration tools, such as comments, mentions, and file sharing, make it easy for team members to work together on tickets and share information. Time tracking. Wrike's time tracking feature can help you monitor the time spent on each ticket, ensuring that resources are allocated effectively. Reporting and analytics. Wrike offers various reporting and analytics tools that can provide valuable insights into your team's performance and identify areas for improvement. Wrike is a ticketing system. Pros and cons. Pros. Versatility. Wrike's versatility allows it to be adapted to various ticketing workflows, making it suitable for different types of businesses. Integration capabilities. Wrike integrates with other popular tools, such as email clients and help desk software, expanding its functionality. Scalability. Wrike can scale to accommodate growing teams and increasing ticket volumes. Cons. Learning curve. While Wrike is relatively user-friendly, there may be a learning curve involved, especially for those new to project management tools. Customization limitations. While Wrike offers customization options, there may be limitations compared to dedicated ticketing systems designed specifically for customer service. Pricing. Wrike's pricing plans may be more expensive than some dedicated ticketing systems, especially for small businesses. Alternative ticketing systems to consider. Zendesk, a popular cloud-based customer service platform with robust ticketing features. Freshdesk, another cloud-based ticketing system known for its simplicity and ease of use. Jira Service Desk, a ticketing system designed for IT teams, offering advanced features for managing incidents and requests. So, is Wrike a ticketing system? While it's not a dedicated ticketing solution, it can certainly be used effectively to manage customer inquiries. Whether it's the right choice for your team depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you're looking for a versatile tool that can handle both project management and ticketing, Wrike may be worth considering. However, if you require a dedicated ticketing system with advanced features and integrations, you may want to explore other options. Have you used Wrike for ticketing? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you're still unsure about which ticketing system is right for you, be sure to check out our other videos on this topic. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.